and I thought I was doing the right thing. But because I didn't have financial knowledge, understanding of money, I blew it. Like this is what we all have to start understanding. Like blowing, like messing over money does not mean doing toxic things. Most of us mess over money on a daily basis by investing and circulating money into things that doesn't give us a return of interest or an ROI. And so for me, what I was doing, I was paying off all my debt because remember, I had to go broke. I was paying off all my debt, trying to get my credit score up, doing this, did a little bit of things for ourselves. But at the end of the day, I ended up spending so much money into paying off past debts. It made no sense. I ended up blowing the money to pay off past debts. And you may be like, oh, Jason, but you should pay off your debts. No, you shouldn't. And this is the reason why, and this is the understanding that I have now as I started studying and learning from people who accumulated amounts of riches and wealth.